How to find Instagram message request feature on Instagram mobile application. This tutorial will use Android, but you can always follow the same steps on iOS or any OS that Instagram officially supports. So first off, if you find these contents or tutorials helpful, you wanted to see more, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. Okay, a prerequisite for this tutorial is that you have already updated Instagram to its latest version. You can check on Play Store or App Store, depending on your device. And once that is done, just open your Instagram application, fire it up from your phone, and from there, from the home screen right here, go to the top right button, aka message button. Use it, and then to actually view any message request, you can just switch to the request tab over here. Okay, currently I have none, but you can also view hidden requests if there's any. Okay, and that's pretty much how you view Instagram message requests on Instagram mobile application. If you find this tutorial to be helpful and you wanted to see more, please make sure that you hit that subscribe, like, and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us at TechTricks to cover, also do not hesitate to put it on the comment section down below. Cheers, I hope it helps. Until the next tutorial, YouTube, bye.